Kate here with WTI. Now, if you're looking to completely wow your guests, you have to check out this 3-in-1 fondue set from Fondussimo. Now, it is electric, which means you can ditch the flame. It's 3-in-1, so you can do cheese, chocolate, or broth fondue. So for cheese or chocolate, it has a double boiler, a nice 1-liter ceramic pot that goes on top. You put your water in the base. It has a dial for full temperature control. I personally tried one of the recipes on their website. It was the Brie and Swiss cheese fondue. It was a huge hit with my guests, absolutely delicious. And it went together so nicely. We made a beautiful spread and we all just enjoyed this awesome fondue set. We also did the chocolate fondue. If you're gonna serve your guests dessert, what better way than to have everything dipped in chocolate? I love the tongs it comes with. Even my guests commented on them. They're really nice, heavy duty. They hold the food really well. Now, if you're doing a broth fondue, you obviously put your broth in, you heat it, and it comes with individual baskets for each of your guests. So you can do up to 6 people. You know, you've been there if you've had fondue before with those little tongs and there's stuff floating in your broth the whole time. With your baskets, you can submerge your food right in the broth. It can soak in all that good flavor. And then you can pull it out and hang it on the side so it can drip out. The baskets are very heavy duty too. Everything is made so well. Lots of thought was put into this fondue set. Even the cord is well thought out because it's magnetic. So if ever anyone were to accidentally bump it, it won't pull your whole thing onto the floor. It just disconnects. I love that little feature. So if you're looking for a high quality, versatile fondue set, this is an excellent choice. I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.